So today I'm going to show you how I made this sassy coffee cup Freshie. So I'm using two different colors in this cup. The first is Jam from K&L and the next is Snow White from Mad Micas. These are two companies I really like. You'll also need a circle cardstock. This is 2-inch size and I do sell these, so I'll put a link in the comments. So first you put it face down and make sure it's facing the right way. I like to use these thick tooth combs to separate the colors, so I'm just going to stick 3 of them in, and it's nice because they fit right inside the lines in this mold. This mold is from K&L, it's their coffee cup mold. I'm going to shake a little bit of glitter into the middle section just because I like having just a little bit of sparkle. You could also skip that step if you don't want glitter. So if I add my pink color, I found it's easier to do these thicker sections first because the thinner sections are a little harder to pour the beads into. So if I already have the thick ones filled, it doesn't matter if a little bit spill out over into the next one. I fill each section up about halfway, then I remove the combs and make sure everything is spread out evenly. So now it's time to bake. I start at 325 for 15 minutes, and then I like to look at it and see how it's doing and then rotate my pan. You want the beads to be melted together, but you still want to be able to see each bead. So here it's been 15 minutes, so I'm just going to turn my pan so that it cooks and you can look. I want it to melt a little more so that I can make sure that all the lines can be seen. So it's been 3 more minutes. This one looks really good. As you can tell, it's not overcooked because you can still see each bead. The nice thing about this is once it's cooked, you're done. You could trace over these lines with a Sharpie paint pen, but I like to leave it as is. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and then you'll get notified when I post more videos.